Hello, I am Valerie Maldonado, and I read the article The Joy of Just the Right Amount of Sex. Now, what that article was about was that they wanted to determine whether sex was a direct cause to happiness. Now, they wanted to find this out because of previous studies made where they found that other couples who had more frequent sex just had an overall happiness level to them. So they wanted to see if there's a direct cause to that or if it's just correlation. So what they did to find this information out, they grabbed 64 couples that were married and heterosexual, split that group in half. Half of them, they kept doing their own regular routine. And then the other half, they asked to double in their frequency of sex. So if they had sex only once a month, they asked them to do it twice a month. Now, they did also have them do daily questionnaires on their mood afterwards and the quality of it. So what they found out was the opposite of what they thought they were going to get. Instead of their happiness increasing with the increase in sex, they found that it declined. The quality declined, their energy and enthusiasm also did. So their well-being just decreased with that. So what had happened was that instead of just doing it because they wanted to, the couples, because they had a reason now and they were, expected to do it, it was more something like a chore in a way for them to do. So that declined with them. They, I guess, didn't want to look forward to it anymore. And yeah, that's how they got those results. So they came to the conclusion that quality over quantity when it comes to sex. Another thing, the purpose of the article is to inform their audience on this due to the previous studies that were made that were the claims that more sex, happier life. So they took that out. That's just correlation. There's different variables that can affect that, but it is not a direct cause to it. And what does he want to convey the article? Just that, the information on the study that was made and the results. If I were to further research this topic, I were to go online, look at similar articles on this, gather all that information, find similarities in results, and I would expect to find actually more correlations than causations, basically the same conclusion, due to, again, there's many factors that go into one's happiness. You can't just add one thing and bam, they'll go up. There's many different variables to it. The environment affects it, everything. So I believe that what I would expect to find would be more or less the same as this study. How this also relates to psychology is, experiments on behavior and emotional state of mind. That is study of psychology, to see behavior and how that links with mind and all that. Well, that's one thing. The study, all this stuff, to find all this information. Psychology is also a science, and this is a science, the way this was performed. And that's all I have to say. Thank you.